Hello, and welcome back to Senior Health Solutions, your trusted channel for powerful, age-specific advice that keeps your body strong, your energy high, and your life full of vitality. Let me ask you something personal, but important. Have you ever noticed that your energy feels low in the morning? That your blood flow isn't what it used to be, especially down there? Well, you're not alone. After the age of 60, millions of men, and yes, even women, across America begin experiencing slower circulation, especially in areas related to intimacy, bladder control, and leg strength. But what if I told you there's something simple, natural, and delicious you can eat in the morning that can dramatically improve blood flow down there? That's right. In today's video, we'll reveal the morning foods, including one powerful doctor-recommended option that can naturally enhance blood circulation, support nerve function, improve stamina and confidence in older adults, and even promote better heart health overall. We're diving deep, backed by science, clinical insights, and real-life success stories. As a health expert who's worked with older adults across the U.S. for over 30 years, I've seen firsthand how these simple changes can make a huge difference in your everyday life, especially for seniors who want to stay active, independent, and confident in their golden years. So grab your cup of tea or morning coffee and stay tuned. You'll discover the #1 fruit to jumpstart circulation in the lower body, the circulation killers to avoid at breakfast, and how to build a morning routine that works with your body, not against it. Before we get started, do me a small favor. Like this video if you care about your health. Drop a comment if you've ever struggled with leg pain, fatigue, or intimacy issues. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips designed specifically for seniors over 60, because your best years aren't behind you. They're just getting started. #1, why circulation declines after 60. As we age, our circulatory system, our body's highway of blood vessels, naturally begins to slow down. For most seniors, that means less oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. Your extremities, especially your legs and private areas, feel colder or weaker. And for men, yes, that also means a noticeable change in performance down there. But what causes this? Blood vessels stiffen with age. Hormone levels drop, especially testosterone and estrogen. And lifestyle habits like poor diet, dehydration, or lack of exercise slowly chip away at your vitality. The result? You might start noticing numbness or tingling in your feet, less morning energy, or difficulties in the bedroom you never had before. But here's the good news. Certain foods can wake up your blood flow like a natural morning coffee for your arteries. #2, how poor blood flow affects down there. Let's talk clearly for men and women. When blood flow is poor, the pelvic region is often one of the first areas to suffer. This leads to erectile difficulties in men, decreased sensitivity in women, bladder control issues in both genders, and slower healing or stiffness in the hips and legs. Many seniors think this is just a part of getting older, but that's not the full story. Many times it's poor circulation that's the real cause, and that can be improved naturally. #3, the #1 morning food that boosts blood flow down there. Now, let's get to the highlight of today's video. The one food you should be eating in the morning to improve circulation in your lower body. Drum roll, please. It's the beetroot. Yes, simple, humble beets. Why? Beets are rich in natural nitrates. When eaten, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels. This means blood flows more easily to your extremities, muscles and tissues get more oxygen, and yes, performance down there can improve dramatically. In fact, studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that seniors who consume beet juice or cooked beets have improved blood flow and exercise stamina in just a few days. #4, how to prepare beets the right way. So how do you include beets in your morning? Option 1, raw beet smoothie. 1 small raw beet, peeled and chopped. 1 banana, 1 or 2 cup blueberries, a small piece of ginger, 1 cup water or almond milk. Option 2, roasted beet and egg bowl. Roast chopped beets with olive oil. Add 2 boiled eggs, sprinkle with sea salt and black pepper. Option 3, beet juice shot. Blend raw beets with water, strain, and sip slowly. Optional, add lemon or honey. Tip, eat beets early in the day for maximum benefit. Nitric oxide production peaks shortly after consuming beets, giving you more energy and stamina by mid-morning. Number 5. What not to eat in the morning. Circulation killers. Avoid these common breakfast foods that can sabotage your blood flow. Processed meats, like sausage, bacon, or ham, high in sodium and preservatives. Sugary cereals. Spike your blood sugar, then crash your energy. White bread and pastries. Cause inflammation and clog arteries. Too much coffee without water leads to dehydration and poor circulation. Replace these with whole grains, fresh fruits, hydrating herbal teas, omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds or walnuts. Number 6, morning routine that supercharges circulation. Now let's build a 15-minute morning routine that gets your blood pumping naturally. Drink warm lemon water upon waking. Do 5 minutes of ankle rolls, knee lifts, or gentle stretching. Eat your circulation-boosting breakfast with beets. Take a short walk after breakfast, even 5 to 10 minutes around your home or yard. This simple combination improves blood vessel elasticity, mental clarity, and energy throughout the day. Number 7, other foods that help circulation. Down there. Beets are the MVP, but they aren't alone. Here are some backup players that can enhance your results. Blueberries, protect blood vessels with antioxidants. Avocados, healthy fats support hormone balance. Salmon or mackerel, rich in omega-3s for heart and blood health. Walnuts, improve circulation and nerve function. Dark chocolate, in moderation, helps relax blood vessels. Try mixing and matching these foods throughout your week. Number 8, real stories from real seniors. Let me tell you about James, 68, from Arizona. He started adding beets to his breakfast 3 times a week. After just 2 weeks, he said, "Doc, I feel more like myself again. I have more energy in the morning, and the little aches and sluggishness I had down there, gone." Then there's Maria, 71, from Ohio. "I was struggling with circulation in my legs and intimacy, but since I added beets and blueberries into my smoothies, I feel alive again." These aren't magic fixes, but real natural results when your body's given what it needs. To recap, check mark circulation naturally slows after 60, but you can improve it. Poor blood flow affects more than your energy. It affects intimacy, bladder control, and daily function. Beets are one of the most powerful morning foods to wake up your blood vessels. Add them to your routine, smoothies, bowls, or juice shots. Stay consistent and pair it with movement. And remember, your best health doesn't come from pills, but from food, lifestyle, and knowledge. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please like it. It helps more seniors find this information. Leave a comment below. Have you ever tried beets or noticed changes in circulation? And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos that help you stay healthy, strong, and confident at any age. Until next time, stay well, stay active, and keep your blood flowing. You've got more life to live, and we're here to help you live it well.